Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a delicious chickpea coconut curry paired with a nice soft fluffy white rice. Keep watching for the recipe. You will need 1 whole onion and 2 small red onions, 1 can of coconut cream, and 2 cans of organic garbanzo beans. You can also cook it yourself, but this is easier. 2 tablespoons of organic virgin coconut oil, and you want to soak your rice at least 2 hours ahead of time before cooking it. So now I've added in my oil and I cut up my onions, and I'm going to cook this down for about 10 minutes until the color becomes translucent. And I'm using half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 tablespoon of pure sea salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a little dash of garlic powder, a dash of this spicy red pepper, and a little dash of this curry powder. Those are all added to your likings, and once my onions have cooked down, I add in my spices, and now I'm going to add in my garbanzo beans. And you want to combine that really well because you want the spices to really soak into the garbanzo beans. And we're going to cook that until it softens up a bit. We're going to cook this for about 5 to 8 minutes. I did add about 3 tablespoons of water just so the water releases and it really softens the beans up. We want this curry to be a melt in your mouth type of curry. Once the beans are soft, you're going to go ahead and add your 1 can of coconut cream. Only 1 can. I accidentally put 2 out there. I apologize. And you're going to really stir this in until you get a nice golden color. And we're going to close the lid and let it cook for about 5 minutes, just for the sauce to kind of thicken up. And for more color, I'm adding in a tablespoon of tomato paste for the flavor and to give it a more golden orange color to make it look like curry, as you can see here. And I've been cooking it for about 10 minutes now on medium heat. And you want to just keep stirring it and keep cooking it until it thickens up really nice like this, and that's how you know your curry is ready. Now for the rice, we soaked it ahead of time. Now you're going to go ahead and boil 4 cups of water for 2 cups of rice. I'm adding in some olive oil and just a couple teaspoons of salt, just so the rice gets some flavor and it soaks up and it doesn't stick together. And you're going to want to let that boil for about 10 to 15 minutes, just until the water starts to boil and the rice starts to soften up. And so as you can see here, I'm constantly checking to see how soft the rice is. And once it's soft enough and it has a little bite to it, test it with your finger even, and then it's ready to strain. And for this little mixture I put in my rice, I do half a cup of water, 3/4 cup of oil, and a teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to mix that up everywhere and just make a mess and really stir that up. And then once you've strained the rice, you're going to go ahead and add that mixture and stir it into the rice really well. Just stir it in, give that rice some flavor. And then I put a little damp little napkin on there, and I cover the rice with it, and then I cover the lid, and I cook it on low heat for about 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, and then it's ready to serve. You're going to fluff up your rice, plate your food, and enjoy! If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and comment down below what I should make next. And thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. I promise I will have easy, delicious foods up. And have a wonderful day. Bye!